All right.
Let me get it. Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, party people? It's your boy Jay here. All right, so I've been working on these. I'm making this homemade viral chocolate bar right now. Not the healthiest thing in the world, but man, I had to try this. It's made with pistachios and shit. I'll show y'all some pictures, and it'll be like a treat for me tonight. So you'll see it at the end of my video. Damn, my eyes look blue as shit. Oh my god. But man, this has taken hours to do. And then I'll melt down the chocolate. I'll show y'all what it is. It's like this viral thing. So you'll see it at the end of the video. Holy, my arms are sore from yesterday's workout, man. Sore. And I'm exhausted. That run, I did a lot yesterday. So we'll get some steps in today. We'll at the sauna today. And that'll be probably it. Kind of use it as a little bit of a active recovery day. I'm gonna show y'all these, man, I'll show y'all some pictures and I'll voice over it. This thing is taking me forever, but I think it's gonna be banger. All right, so I shelled a hell of a lot of pistachios. I blended it up. I made this paste with pistachios and white chocolate. And it turned into this with some milk and cream. And then I worked in some phyllo dough that I crisped up. Made it into these little heart-shaped chocolate molds. Man, these turned out crazy. Holy, man, to make those damn chocolate bars, I ran out of chocolate too. Oh, it's been so time consuming. But on the plus, I've been standing up for the last like 4 hours. I also had to walk to the store several times because I kept forgetting ingredients. But they look crazy. They look crazy. I can't wait to taste them. I will go back tomorrow to buy more chocolate because the chocolate's on sale. And I will finish off more of them tomorrow. And yeah, my goal isn't to like, the thing with the treats, just tie in the treats to the fitness, holy, is like you have one, you'll see that these little heart things. And it's like one of these is like maybe at most 200, maybe 300 calories. So you have one of those, you can work those calories into a calorie deficit and still hit your protein, So yeah. And I like to try, man, this is the other thing. I went yesterday to the Italian Center to go to get this pistachio paste. That's what took so long. Because these chocolate bars are so viral, I went to the Italian Center. She's like, yeah, we sell out as soon as we get it. People love this stuff. I was like, what? It's that viral? So then I found a recipe to make it. So I had to make my own pistachio butter or cream, and then I had to make the chocolate bar from that. And so it's been a process. It's been time consuming, but I think it's gonna be worth it. From the couple bites I've had to try some things, I'm like, ooh, had to be careful not to break my fast. I mean, anytime you taste it, you technically break the fast, but you know what I'm saying? I was chefing. So it's been a whole process. So then I hope to take these, I'm going to share with the fam. And then I hope to also give out to some homies and stuff. Let them all try it. Because I made a fuck ton. I just didn't know what the ratio should be. So yeah. So I've probably already been walking around for at least an hour. So I'll probably just walk on the treadmill for another hour. And then I will sit in the sauna for at least an hour. Then we'll weigh in and then we'll eat. Sheesh. Don't worry.
making this chocolate bar wasn't the only thing I did today. I did work on some music, and if I got some cool things, that's another thing too. I got some really cool things coming to the channel. I'm super excited about. We're getting shredded. The channel's still growing, so we got a lot. Yeah, so lots to go. The goal is to be down to 185 this month, but then the end goal is the 175. So we still got a little ways away, about 20 pounds. And we want to crank it June, July. Crank it. So we'll see what we get to. The goal this week is to weigh in Saturday or Sunday at 192. And we're close, so we'll see how it goes. Oh man, I am sore. My biceps are so sore from yesterday, which gets me hype. While we're here too, another thing I'll say is, man, this morning I got woken up so abruptly because my mom dropped the clock off the wall. Boom! And I was like, what the fuck was that? You know, it was wild. So if I'm a little off, that's why I'm Jay sleepy. All right, I'm gonna chill for a second, and then I'm gonna go walk it out. All right, more love, more success. The next thing y'all will probably see is my food, because if I'm walking, if I'm sitting in the sauna, you know, I don't know if there's much else to yeah, anyways, got some really cool stuff coming to the channel. That's another thing. And then if you guys haven't seen these chocolate bars that I'm making, that I keep fucking talking about, it's a viral thing, and I was just like, I gotta try this shit, man. And so that's why I decided to make it. So there will be a review. So I'll show you my food that I eat tonight, and then I will show you a review of the Dubai viral chocolate bar thing. It's made with this pistachio cream shit, man. It's crazy. All right. More love, more success.
All right, weighing in at 196.4 pounds, which actually isn't too bad. I didn't know what I was going to be weighing in at today, so to see 196.4 pounds is pretty good. I'm happy. I feel a little bloated today. We've come a long way still, but I know I can get down to that 193, 192 by Sunday for sure. Today we're going to have a little treat, but then we're going to clean it up for the rest of the week, and we're going to be there for sure. I'm feeling it. All right, this is what we're having for dinner. We're going to have one of these, just one, because they're pretty huge. But we got some ground turkey here, or ground chicken here, 700 calories, 80 grams of protein just right here. I just bought this 2 kilo. This is a cheat code to dieting, man. This isn't. This is. This is just a little treat. We're gonna have a bunch of this. You know, what to say? 1 cup is 50 calories. You know what I'm saying? So we'll definitely have a couple cups of this, and then we got some delicious meat here. This is pork belly, and this is ribs. So we'll have maybe a half a rack of this and a couple of these, because this is going to be high in calories, but at least there's some protein in it, and it's pretty low carb, except for that. All in all, pretty good. So we'll crush this, a little bit of this, ton of this, one of these. Easily hitting 120, 130 grams of protein. Maybe, yeah. All right. I'll review this after. This will be the last thing I eat. I'll let y'all know how it goes.
All right. I just finished eating, well, the healthy stuff anyways. I got the chocolate right here. See, it's pretty little hard. I don't know. Ooh. I'm just gonna take a bite. We'll see how it is, I guess. Super messy, but delicious. I think I need to add less chocolate and more of the filling dough. All right, Dubai. Man, that stuff in the middle though. All right. Delicious. Okay, more love, more success, y'all.